Classification of furnaces. The furnaces can be classified based on according to mode of heat transfer, according to mode of charging, and according to mode of heat recovery. Under the category of according to mode of heat transfer, it can be open fireplace furnace and heated through medium. According to mode of charging classification, batch type and continuous type. Re-rolling batch, forging, pot. These are all batch type. Continuous type, glass tank melting, regenerative, reciprocative. According to mode of heat recovery, recuperative